Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the REALME Narzo N53. So when I have a problem with my headphones or any other Bluetooth gadget, I am always starting from the simplest way, just restart the Bluetooth connection. So just tap on the Bluetooth icon and tap on it again to restart it. You can also try to restart your phone by the power button. A little obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works, so just try it. At the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory is in the power mode, and how to activate power mode you will find the manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory should be visible for other devices. But it's still not for your phone, open the settings, tap on the system and choose the reset options. As you can see, you have a network settings and Bluetooth included, so just tap on it, tap on reset settings, configure the pattern and tap on this button again. After that, look again for the Bluetooth device. In the next step, you can also try to update the system, so go to the software update. If you have any, just tap on the install now or just set it to in the settings to install it later. And the last recommendation from me, check your Bluetooth accessory and your phone on other Bluetooth device to check which one is visible, which one is making problem here. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave a like, recommend and goodbye.